Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Max, and today I'm very excited to be going over another product from AngelHalo. This time we're reviewing their LED light strip. Now this LED light strip comes with a track so that you can actually run this around wherever you want it to go, and it provides a really nice cover to give a nice, clean, finished look to it. So I'm very excited to get into the box and see what this is all about. If you are familiar with my channel, you know that I reviewed one of their products just a few weeks ago, and that was their LED smart bulbs. I'm currently loving that smart bulb, and I'm actually using it right now in my studio to get the lighting that you're seeing when I shoot my videos. That was a great product at a very affordable price, so I'm definitely very excited to check out this LED light strip and see what it's all about. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the box and see what this is all about. Alright, so this is the box that the AngelHalo LED light strip comes in. Very nice packaging overall, and I'm very excited to add these to our room to give it some nice ambient lighting. This particular strip is 16.4 feet, which will give me a lot of flexibility to have some fun with and add some cool effects to whatever room I decide to install these in. So getting right into the box. Alright, so we do have a full written out user manual, which is great. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Love having written directions available rather than just relying on a QR code that takes me to either online instructions or to videos that I have to scroll through and figure out what to do. So this is great for installation. So in our first box, we have our power adapter. It looks like a spool of LEDs, a control module that'll communicate between the LEDs and the power adapter. We have some LED cover pieces, some LED cover joints, a remote to control the lights and some of its features, and some screws and 3M adhesive strips. Then in the larger of the two boxes, well, I'm not going to completely unpack these, but you can see these are a bunch of LED covers and guide rails that will be running the LED through so we can get it on the correct track for whatever setup we decide to do with them. Other than that, there's nothing else in the box. So yeah, let's figure out where these are going to go and install these so we can see what they look like in practice. So I ended up deciding to install this light run underneath my bed to add some ambient lighting to the master bedroom. When doing this install, the first thing I did was take this 16.4 foot run and do an outline of where I planned to have it to ensure that I had enough coverage and that it was centered appropriately. Once I confirmed that it was good to go, I also plugged it in to ensure the light worked as intended. Once confirmed, I went ahead and outlined the same area with the track and cover system to get an idea of how I wanted to space out the mountings underneath the bed. Once this was all situated, I moved directly to install. And putting these tracks on couldn't be easier. Each one comes with 3M adhesive on the backside, so you simply have to peel that off and then press these into place. They also come with pilot holes if you want to screw them into place, but given the fact that I didn't know if I'd have to move these around, and I wasn't sure if this was going to be a permanent install in this location, I chose to just go with the 3M adhesive for now. I made my way around my bed, pressing it into the front and the sides to get the back of the track into place so that I could then run the lights. Where possible, I had the tracks line up right next to each other to get a clean finish, and they do have the option to use corner joints if you so chose. I just happen to not need them for this install since I was mounting the light where it'd be out of sight. Once the base of the track was installed, I was able to move on to actually pressing the lights into place and putting the covers on. I did this segment by segment by first putting the LED strip into the cover and then pressing that cover into the bracket that I had just mounted. With its built-in track-like design, the covers popped right onto the bottom piece, and it was really a simple process and just took the time of getting the lights into place and then pressing the covers on. Now the LED light strip itself does have 3M adhesive along the entire back of it so that you can press it into place on those mounting brackets. I opted to again not use this, as when I was putting it in, I wasn't sure if I was gonna have to move it or reorient it, and because of where I was placing it, I didn't have to worry about it being in full view. I was really just worried about the light being in a position where it casted evenly. And as you can see as we go through this process, it worked fine for my purposes, just something you'll probably want to consider doing if you're installing these lights where the strip and the cover would be fully visible. And yeah, after making my way around the entire bed, this install was done. It was really that simple. And with that, the final step was to go into the Lumeri app that these lights function with, where once in pairing mode, they will sync automatically as soon as you hit the Add New Device button. And after waiting less than 30 seconds for that install to take place, I had full control over the lights, and here's what they looked like. So I have to say, I really am quite impressed with these lights. Not only does it look great in terms of the evenness of the light it projects, but there are a ton of different effects. I'm no stranger when it comes to smart lighting, and these effects are some of the cleanest and the most varied that I have seen in any device. Not only can you pick any color that you can think of, I think the box actually states that there are over 16 million color variations, but the built-in effects that it comes with look awesome and basically can set any type of mood you're looking for. Now again, because of where I set these to cast ambient lighting underneath my bed, I didn't have to worry about the way it looked when it went up. But if I were to have installed this somewhere like as an office backdrop or something to that effect, the covers that they come with give it a really nice clean look. I honestly think it would be awesome for anyone who's looking to have that type of display, and the fact that you get all these different cover options and these joints to have it bend in different directions really gives you a ton of flexibility. I think I would recommend to most people, if they're looking to do a permanent install, to put in the screws and also use the 3M adhesive on the light strip itself. Obviously in this install video, I opted to not do that. It's just my recommendation if you know you're putting the lights someplace where they're gonna stay full time. But that being said, the 3M adhesive on the back of the brackets has held up great in the few days I've had it up, and I can always retroactively install screws if I find that to fail in the future. And as we speak right now, this exact strip is on sale for $59.99, so it's really never been a better time to buy if you're looking to have this type of lighting effect. There's a ton you can do with it, a ton of flexibility, and it's gonna be really cool to have this in our bedroom, but also would be cool for anyone who's looking to add some kind of ambient lighting to an entertainment space, for the holidays, for kitchen counter lighting. There's so much that you could do with this, and it's really such a cool smart lighting system that has a ton of flexibility all around. All that to say, if you are in the market for a product such as this, look no further than AngelHalo's smart LED light strip system. I'll include links in the description below if you're interested directly to this product and to AngelHalo's product page. They have a ton of different smart light products, from neon rope strips to permanent outdoor lights, really anything you can think of in that ecosystem for your house, so it's definitely worth checking them out. But yeah, that's all I had to talk about today. If you did enjoy this video and you want to see more, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to see more. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.